Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find your stove ID in Epic 7. First of all, open up Epic 7 application and from the home screen, go ahead and tap on the menu button in blue at the top right. Now, click on the gear button at the bottom right and then this will open up your account info. From your account info tab, you will see the stove member number displayed on the screen. If you tap on the number, you will be able to copy the stove number in the clipboard. And you are all set. You can now use this stove ID to recover your account or link it to another services. It is that simple to find your stove ID, whether you are linking your account to a new device or recovering an old one. Knowing where to find your stove ID can save you a ton of time. And that's all for today, folks. I hope this quick guide helped you out. If you found it to be useful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell icon so that you never miss any of our Epic 7 tips and guides. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.